Hi, I'm Randall Barney. We're here at the NAB show speaking with teleport, satellite, and technology providers about their customer solutions, and here's what they had to say.
Well, I would say that's the multi-vendor end-to-end network management software technology, where the industry has relied a long time on vendor-specific element management systems. In the last decade, we have seen new technology emerging that enables operators to manage their entire operational ecosystem end-to-end. This across any technology and any vendor boundary, to have one consolidated network management platform that enables them to get visibility on the entire operation, and eventually also to control that entire operation as a single ecosystem. Reducing cost and managing complexity is, that's what it's all about with these end-to-end network management solutions. They enable operators really to have one consolidated interface to interact with every single component. At the very early beginning, it was all about getting visibility on that operation and to be able to find issues and root cause analysis much faster. To be able, whenever there's an incident, to find the root cause and to act upon it. And this has also evolved into end-to-end workflows. So that opened up a whole new spectrum of new business opportunities to be able to allow customers to do online bookings of new services and to automatically link that to the operational systems and to provision services, for example, end-to-end. There's a lot of other applications where automation, end-to-end automation has played an important role, such as diversity site switching, for example, redundancy switching, rerouting services, and creating self-healing systems, but really in an end-to-end perspective. Most definitely. I would say there's probably two areas where you will see a lot of activity. On the short term, let's say the next coming 2 to 3 years, there's going to be a lot of activity in connecting that end-to-end network management platform with the OSS and BSS layer. This means, trouble ticketing platforms, inventory and asset management systems, invoicing systems, enterprise resource management systems. So it's all about taking those top layer systems and linking them with the operational environment, so that a booking that is made by an operator no longer needs to be implemented by an engineering department. It automatically transfers to the operational system and automatically executes that. It will automatically create trouble tickets so people can follow up on issues. So the whole OSS BSS layer and the integration with the operational ecosystem is one of the big major things in the next coming years. In addition to that, I would highlight the emerging technologies from the IT industry. We're talking about big data. If you think about it, these days we have end-to-end network management solutions that pretty much have knowledge about every possible setting or every possible parameter that you can find in that entire ecosystem. So it's a vast volume of information, and all that information is now retained, whereas it was disappearing in the past. And that's big data. And you find big data technology in pretty much every industry. You could look at the banking industry, the retail industry, the medical industry. And what we want to do now is leverage that big data technology and enable operators to move from a reactive operation to a proactive operation. So in order to do that, you need very intelligent algorithms that analyze that vast volume of information and allow an operator to detect issues much faster. I would say exactly what I just mentioned, the artificial intelligence. So very sophisticated software technologies that you can find already in those other industries and see how they will blossom within the satellite industry. How this, very intelligent software capabilities will emerge and allow an operator to analyze all the data that he has across his entire transmission path, and really to push the operation from a reactive operation to a proactive operation in order to be able to identify issues before they are occurring.